Hey YouTube, and welcome to Silent Code Dev. This is gonna be a different video because I haven't uploaded on this channel for such a long time, and that's because I have been busy with life and all that stuff. So you probably read the title of this video. I'm gonna start to upload videos of myself learning front end every single day. And the goal really is to get a front-end developer job. Now that's why I started the channel, because I wanted to, I was learning front-end, and while I was learning it, I also wanted to have a YouTube channel, because I love, not teaching, but I love like creating videos of things that I've learned and upload it to video, and just, because I know there's a lot of people trying to learn this as well. So what I've decided to do is that I'm going to, as I said, upload every day. I thought about live streaming, but I don't want to really do it, because the goal for me is to just become better, right? So I want to do this as fast as possible, as easy as possible. So I'm just going to be uploading videos. Hopefully someone sees it and they will get inspired to do the same. So the plan that I have is that I'm going to be using roadmap.sh, and we're going to be following the front-end developer roadmap. So as you guys can see, I have the beginner friendly version, right? So it's basically starting off with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and of course those are the trios, right? Everyone expects a front-end developer to know these very well. So once I've learned these three, I think I'm gonna start to apply for a job, and just start applying and try my best. So, and then I'm gonna move to GitHub. I think that I can learn that later. I kind of have basics, like I know the basics, but I want to obviously go deeper in these. And then we're gonna go to npm, React, Tailwind, vtest, and yeah, after that, as you guys can see, depending on the depth of your knowledge and your projects at this point, you should have enough knowledge to find a junior to mid-level, maybe even senior position at any company. Keep learning and building projects till you find a job. Your job will teach you a lot as well. So the thing is, like, we don't want to become like, I'm not aiming to become the best developer in the world, but I want to be good enough to land a job. And that's why I'm going to upload every day. I'm going to just upload myself working, building projects live, and learning in real time, right? I'm not going to be using AI to learn. I'm going to use the documentation and my knowledge to really do this. So while I'm recording this video, I have a lot of limiting beliefs. I have a lot of doubt, kind of nervous, because I'll be failing a lot, and I put this online, right? So I'm making myself vulnerable. I know I'm gonna get a lot of comments. Okay, I don't know for sure, but if you're watching this video, you know what I mean. And there's gonna be different opinions, but I have a goal, guys, right? I just want to figure out whether this is for me, because we are in 2026 and I can't be spending my time being on the fence. Should I do front end or not? I gotta do it, and if I decide to do it, I gotta do it consistently. I have really find out, like, because let's be honest, maybe front end is not for me. Maybe I'm not cut out to be a developer. That's something that's crossed my mind, and I have to, if it's not for me, it's not for me. It's something that I have to accept. But how am I gonna find that out if I don't put my all into it? That's the thing, because if I don't put my all into it, I'll never know. So that's why I'm doing this, because I want to go all in, and I want to document. I already have a developer YouTube channel, so I was like, why not just upload myself doing it every day? So yeah. So as you guys can see, I have a page here called Web Dev Daily, and let's see. So this is basically a website where you can build different projects. They are providing different projects that you can build with Figma, and you can implement HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React. You can use all these technologies. So the plan is to start again. I'm gonna start slow. I'm gonna start building different UIs and make sure that I do it as close as possible to the real design. And the reason, I mean, a lot of people are gonna say like, why don't you use Frontend Mentor, right? Because I know that's a way more popular. So Frontend Mentor is a popular and I would say better version than this, because it's just more quality, you know. There's way more people working on that. So the reason I'm using Web Dev Daily is because I really love it. You know, it's so simple. Not many people use it, and you also, it's very cheap, right? Like compared to Frontend Mentor, this is like $7 a month, and you get 330 plus design to code challenge, 12 plus professional design premium projects, and 340 plus Figma design files. And let's look at the projects. Let's see the. So these are all the UI designs, as you can see. It's a lot of good ones. And then we have projects. We have like currency converter, product list, mortgage, countdown app, like very good projects that I can use to you know, really make good projects here. So yeah, so that is the plan, you know. And I'm not gonna also, when I started recording, I was like, oh, I have to make this perfect, you know. I don't care about perfectionism, right? I don't care about being perfect. Like, I just want to upload, get this out, because I have a goal, right? I'm doing this for myself. I'm kind of documenting my journey, right? So I want to upload every single day. I just want to create stuff, right? And I want to progress. I really want to be a developer. You know, I've been wanting to be that, but I've had problems with not being consistent, right? There are moments where I just code every day, and then I get interrupted or I get distracted by things in life. So I stop, and then when I come back, I get stuck in tutorial hell because I became rusty. So I realized like, yo, I gotta stop this pattern. You know, I have to really lock in and do this every day. There's no other way, for me at least. If I don't do this every day seriously, there's no hope. And come on, guys, I have like, at this point, I have like 2 jobs. I have a lot of responsibilities outside of work, and I just have a lot going on. So it's gonna be hard, but I don't want to make excuses, you know. I don't want to make excuses, and I'm gonna put my everything into this, and we'll see where we get, right? So what I want to find out is this for me or not? That's it. If you know, so by the end of 2026, I should have a lot of videos on this channel, and I should know the answer to that. Because if I don't, let's say that you watch this video and on my channel I stopped uploading videos of me doing front end every day, that means I failed, I wasn't consistent, and that means that I don't think this is for me. So yeah, so me posting this video is an indicator. It's a sign that I have really started. And I've made a promise to myself to do this now. So if I stop, it's over. So that's it. I had to get that out. And also I'm gonna be using a blog by Josh Comeau. I found this randomly online. I really like his articles and tutorials, right? So the plan is to use this to read. I'm gonna read it like maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour. I'm just gonna read his articles and try to learn new things that I can implement to my learning. And I'll also be using Udemy to, outside of videos, to keep learning and getting better and implementing the things that I've learned. So that's it, guys. Short video, day 0. Gonna start again, and I'm gonna make a lot of videos. So I hope you guys are with my face, so you get to see me while I do this. So it's gonna be more interactive. It's gonna be more realistic, and I hope this. If you are in the same shoes as me, I hope that this video can help you. Subscribe, and yeah, thank you for watching. And I just want to make this work out, man. I want to be consistent with this because yeah, it's time to lock in. It's time to do this. So thank you for watching, and I see you guys in the next video. Peace.